headlamp on in case it gets dark and we need to see a little bit better. Wow, guys, isn't that something? Wow, so gorgeous, so gorgeous. Oh, I just haven't got the energy to pedal the last furlong, guys. I must have over pedaled earlier. Oh, there's a deer, guys, crossing the road. Beautiful one. There it is. It's a doe. Oh, man, she just hopped that fence. I wish you guys could see that. Maybe you did. Well, there she goes, running away. Babe, man, she just hopped that fence from the street too. That's like a 20 foot leap. Alright, guys, so we're obviously in town because Lowry Road, White Road, and pretty brand new pavement here. So we're looking for Plum something road or other. Oh. These last furlongs, guys. There we go. Yeah, I can't. This is like a new pavement, but it's like a gravelly, and it's gripping my tires. Oh, there's another. Look at those guys. Oh, and a baby one. There it is. Man, they're just leaping. Wow, that's beautiful. Car's turned off there. There's a car behind me. They were looking at him too. Probably like, man, I wish I had a rifle right now. Like thinking the rule, somewhere in the rules there says you can't shoot them from the road or from a moving vehicle. Nice descent down. Yeah, buddy. A couple of little hills, bumpy hills here, but at least the next one ain't higher than this one, so. But yeah, it's a gravelly type pavement, guys. It looks brand new and blue, but It's rough. Yeah. Hey guys, for some reason, either it's the pavement or it's me. I'm losing a little bit of energy here. Well, I think it's just the pavement discouraging me. A couple more little hills, and yeah, there's going to be some kind of a big body of water on the left, and then I'm going to make a right. And there are the big city lights. So I think up here there's a big road coming through. Yeah. Oh, that's only DuPont Road. I know we need to pass that. Yeah. We have to pass DuPont. I know that much because as I was scrolling, it said DuPont.